Hello everyone, this is Tejal from submodule software and today we will see how to add sales request. So let's start. Just click on sales module, then select sales request submodule. Just click on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can create cash sales order. You can also export sales order and you can approve sales order through these actions. To create new sales request, click on add sales request option and then search for the customer. If you don't get any customer list over here, then please check out my previous video how to add customers and select it. Then just search for the project. If you don't get any project list over here, then please check out my previous video how to add projects and select it. Then add a request type through this add icon. I'm just adding test request. Just close it and select that type. Then add requested by. Then fill other details which you want to add. I'm just selecting priority and status as new request. Search for the product. And just save it. On save only the data will be reloaded on the same page and you can perform sales order, email, document and print actions through these four dots. Just save and close it. Your new entry of sales request will be created on the index page and you can easily view, edit, delete that entry through this action. You can also create purchase request against that sales request. And on toggle, you will see more details against that request. You can quick search your sales request through this filter given over here and you can refresh that search data through this refresh button. This is how you can add your sales request. If you get any query to add sales request, then please contact us at contact us@sunmolesoftware.com. See you in the next video. Bye bye.